Hi, this is Kevin with PUI Audio. I'm here with Jake, and we're going to talk a little bit about why audio is important.
It's just Jake and Kevin here right now.
Jake and Kevin show.
We're just chatting about audio.
So obviously, sound has been a massive part of gaming and movies forever. But, why now is it so important?
Audio has been important for a really long time. Audio's just evolved. Audio's been part of the electronic industry since probably the mid-'70s. Back then, times were a lot more simple. The technology was nowhere near as advanced as it is today. So there wasn't really an expectation for audio to be over the top or really expressive. It just needed to grab the user's attention, and the user needed to be able to hear it. Those were pretty much the only requirements. What people don't realize is that technology has kind of evolved behind the scenes. What used to be a really simple mechanical buzzer is now a full-range speaker that's capable of reproducing human voice, music, and multiple frequency tones. Today, all of our home appliances are expressing they need our attention in different ways. Our refrigerators are singing songs to us if we leave the doors open too long, and there's an expectation with product quality that, the audio that comes from an electronic device, even if it's not its sole purpose, needs to be inclusive of high quality and fidelity. So there's kind of an expectation that if a person's going to interact with an electronic device, there's going to be audio somehow in the design, and that it needs to be high quality and usually have fidelity.
If I was designing, say, my own product, and I remembered that I needed to make a chime to let me know that the battery was running low, what would be the best way to kind of design my product with that in mind?
Engineers reach out to us all the time when they are made aware that their design needs to incorporate audio. Our biggest suggestion to our customers is to reach out to us early in that design phase. With audio, placement and size are really key attributes to audio performance. So if you're an engineer and you're trying to design audio into a product that's almost completely designed, you're kind of backed into a corner and you only may have one space available for an audio component, which means you may have to sacrifice audio quality just to design in the component. On the other hand, an engineer were to design in an audio solution on the front end, that audio component can become centric to the design, and all of the other components can be designed around it to ensure the audio has the appropriate volume, it is of the appropriate size, and the product can produce the audio that it deserves to.
So from a scientific perspective, sound being waves traveling through air, it sounds like something that's truly important is designing the product with airspace inside of it for different audio solutions.
Yeah, that's really true, especially with speakers. Speakers require back volume enclosures in order to operate properly at certain frequencies in their frequency range. So we always suggest discussing what options are available with experts here at PUI Audio who are very familiar with what those needs are for different product categories to ensure that the design sounds great and isn't a surprise when the performance is lacking.
Thanks for coming, and we'll see you next time.